Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to create WooCommerce product slider with Elementor. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. If you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So I request you please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to create WooCommerce product slider with Elementor free add-on. Okay, so let's get started. Very first I have to install a WooCommerce Elementor free add-on. That's why go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, click on add plugin and search here shop builder. Shop builder Elementor WooCommerce builder add-on which is free. Already I have published lots of tutorials on it, so you can check my YouTube channel. Okay, so just click over here, install now, activate. After install and activating the add-on, you can see a new menu item is added in left side dashboard menu. You can see this is the shop builder. If you hover on it, then you can see template builder settings, and if you scroll down, then you can see this is the add-on which I have installed and activate right now. You can go the settings page from here, and if you hover over on shop builder, then you can see this is the settings. So you can go settings page from here as well. Just click here. This is the add-on setting area, and you can see this global settings, then the Elementor widget and module. So in this tutorial I am going to use Elementor widget. Okay, that's why I want to add WooCommerce product slider with Elementor. That's why I have to navigate to the Elementor widget tab. This is the Elementor widget, and you can see general tab, product grid, product list layout and product slider. If you click this toggle button, you can enable and disable from here. Okay, so I have to enable it. That's why I want to use this widget, product slider layout. Okay, so this widget is ready to use. Now go to the website, and this is the home page. I want to add the product slider just below this hero section. So edit the page with Elementor, just click edit with Elementor. I want to add the product slider just below this hero section or hero area. Just scroll down and hit this plus icon, take a new section, flex box, and you can see from the left side top, just click over here plus icon. Then very fast you can see shop builder. Sometimes you can't see here, just you have to just search where is the shop builder. Okay, otherwise you can search from here just product slider. Just type here product slider, product slider. You can see product slider. Just drag and drop here. Okay, you can see it works fine. So very fast layout tab, then slider layout, you can choose layout from here. Currently 2 layouts are free, others are pro. So in this tutorial I want to use only free version, so I have to use layout between these 2 layouts. Okay, so I want to use just first layout, select it, then scroll down, then action button layout. You can see this is the layout. If you can change from here. Okay, if you choose here, then you can see the style has been changed. So very fast layout is perfect for me. Then the scroll down, then query. Actually you can show a specific product from here, then you have to type the product name. Okay, or category wise, just I want to category wise. So you have, if you want to show here a specific category, then you have to write here the category name. Okay, so I want to show from the all categories, that's why I want to keep the blank here. Or if you want to show it for a specific category, then you have to write the category name here. So let's try it. Go to the dashboard and categories, just check from here product, and this is the categories. Just click and open it. I have only two categories like grocery and juice. Just copy it and paste here. Okay, then the juice. So in this way you can show a specific category product here. Okay, just let's scroll down. Then the order, you can change the order from here, order ascending, descending, and as a step it's actually pro feature. Okay, so settings, you can check every settings from here. It's very easy and understandable. I hope if you will check it, then easily you can understand it. Navigation arrow, you can see this is a navigation arrow. You can enable and disable it from here. Then the icon, okay, content, ordering, product image, action button, actually add to cart, you can see this is the add to cart text. If you want, then you can change it from here. Then the icon, you can change this add to cart icon. Okay, so product title, this is the product title. You can change the product title tag, okay, badge and link. Then style tab, you can change the text color and font family, okay, image size, image style from here. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.